Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Friends, today I am going to focus on Lakshman Phal, source soup. This is the plant what you see in the picture. So this is called as source soup or Lakshman Phal, and it is grown in America, Caribbean islands, and very favorite fruit in Philippines, Vietnam. Even street vendors sell it as juice in the streets of Philippines. So today I will focus on how to graft this source soup plant. Yeah, in India we also call it as graviola. And this plant is evergreen plant throughout the year. Yeah, even in winter this is evergreen, always looks green, and it will grow around 35-40 centimeters in length. And the fruit from this tree is similar to Sitafal. Yeah, and in India it is called as Lakshman Phal. Okay, so now I will start the process. So I am going to do V grafting. Yeah, for this particular plant. So this is the rootstock I have. So I collected rootstock from this is the rootstock, and I have collected scion from a different plant which is healthy. Yeah, already producing the fruit. So I will do the process very quickly. So first, better sanitize the knife. Let me keep it down. Sanitize the knife first. Yeah, so I am using Dettol for sanitizing the knife. So Dettol is here. So Dettol for sanitizing the knife. Otherwise there can be some infections. So all the tools I am sanitizing with Dettol. Then this is the knife which is very good for grafting. So I sanitize with Dettol so that there is no infection. This is the grafting knife. Yeah. So I may use it or I may not, but I am still sanitizing. Okay. So that is done. So use Dettol for sanitizing. Next, I'll quickly go for grafting. So these two scions are there. I select this scion. Yeah. Then first process is cut off all the leaves one by one. So now I am cutting the leaves one by one. The leaves I am cutting one by one. Why cut the leaves? Because leaves require a lot of energy. So this branch will not be left with energy. Yeah, so therefore cutting all the leaves. Yeah, one by one. So top leaves you can cut half. Okay, so this is the scion which is ready. Yeah, so now I am going to quickly do the process. So just you can come closer and see how we will do it. So 2 slices you can give from both ends. So I sliced it already. Yeah, okay. So that is ready. These 2 slices. So I keep it aside. Yeah. Next I go for the rootstock. Yeah, this rootstock is very beautiful. Yeah, I got it from Father Vishal. So courtesy to him. So this is very good, and almost similar thickness somewhere here. I cut it off. Yes, I cut it off. Now I slice it here with the knife. Slicing it. Yeah, and made a V. Next I take the scion and place it inside. Still it is not enough. I have to further slice it. Yeah, so exactly you place it. inside. Yeah, almost still required more to go. Yes. Yeah. So now I place it inside. Yes. So as much as possible, let it go. Yeah, let it go as much as possible. Yeah. So I am placing it inside. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, fine it is. It's almost penetrated till the end. You can keep it properly. Yes. So this is how you have to place. Next is use a plastic twine. Yeah. First tie it down. First tie it down. Then hold it nicely. Yeah. Hold it nicely. And tightly you have to tie it. As much as possible, it should be very tight. Yeah, so I am tying it very tightly. So tied it again down. Once again, second time. As tight as possible. There should not be air inside, so water can get in. To avoid all this, we are tying it very tightly. Yeah. So tight. Now the first I am going to. Yeah. So done. So once that process is over, so we begin the second process. So now I am using a cap in order to retain the moisture. I am using a cap. So I put a cap. Yeah, I have capped it. Somewhere here I have the plastic. Same plastic I take and cap it off. So this will retain the moisture for the plant to take life. Yeah. So it is done. So one grafting is done. So whatever extra plastic you have, you can cut it off. Yeah. Now keep it in a shady place. Once in 3 or 4 days, you have to water nicely. Yeah, make it wet and keep it in a shady place for few days. Yeah, direct sunlight can harm, so you can keep it in a shady place. So this is how you do the grafting for Lakshman fir. So thank you for watching. Yeah, continue to watch the channel. So thank you very much.